Hola, vamos a empezar con adjectives and agreement. This section of notes is going to go over adjectives and how they agree with nouns in their articles. If you please open your Libro de Práctica, we can go ahead and begin taking the notes. In Spanish, adjectives are referred to as los adjetivos. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Doesn't matter what language we're in. Anytime we're talking about adjectives, there are words that describe nouns and nouns only. In Spanish, adjectives must match the nouns in number, meaning plural or singular, and in gender, meaning masculine or feminine. Adjectives that end in O are masculine and can be made feminine by changing the O to an A. These adjectives can also be made plural by adding S to the end. If for some reason an adjective should end in a consonant, it has to have ES added to the end, just like when we talked about nouns. The same rules apply there for plural and singular. Más de los adjetivos, a little bit more. Adjectives that end in E usually only have one singular form, which can be made plural by adding S. So, for example, la puerta verde becomes las puertas verdes. So verde is the word for green, and it does not have a feminine form, it does not have a masculine form, it's just verde. It just ends in an E, so it's both masculine and feminine. Adjectives that end in L are the same way. They usually only have one singular form, and they're made plural by adding ES. So el bolígrafo azul becomes los bolígrafos azules. Okay, and un poco más. Spanish adjectives come after the nouns they modify, except for adjectives of quantity, meaning numbers and ordinal numbers, and the question word for how many, those come before the noun. So, 20 cuadernos verdes. You can see here that we have an adjective of quantity, so the number 20 comes before cuadernos, but then you'll see the regular adjective, the color adjective verde, comes after cuaderno. So this it's possible to have adjectives coming both before and after your nouns. And then an example for you to see how many. ¿Cuántas sillas hay means how many chairs are there. So how many is a question word and it comes before the noun. I'd like for you to take just a minute and jot down 3 questions you have either over the information or 3 review questions you could quiz a friend with or quiz yourself with before a test or quiz if you don't have any content-specific questions. If everything makes sense to you, you're writing review questions. If not, jot down questions to ask me tomorrow, and I'll be happy to go over them in class with you. Thanks.